A microscopic organism can enter through your nose and begin eating your brain. Warm freshwater may look harmless. Calm lakes, rivers, swimming holes. But hidden inside some of them lives a deadly organism called Naegleria fowleri, often known as the brain-eating amoeba. This microscopic organism survives in warm, fresh water and soil around the world. And unlike most infections, you do not get it from drinking contaminated water. Instead, it enters through the nose, usually while swimming, diving, or jumping into contaminated freshwater. Once inside the nose, the amoeba begins traveling upward through the olfactory nerve, the nerve responsible for smell, and then it reaches the brain. That's when the real damage begins. The amoeba starts destroying brain tissue, causing a rare infection known as primary amoebic meningoencephalitis. At first, the symptoms may seem harmless: headaches, fever, nausea. But very quickly, everything changes. Victims may begin experiencing confusion, hallucinations, seizures, loss of balance, and dangerous swelling of the brain. The infection progresses rapidly, and in most cases, it is fatal. What makes this organism especially terrifying is how rare, yet deadly, it truly is. Millions of people swim safely every year. But when infection does occur, survival is extremely uncommon. Scientists are still trying to understand exactly how this organism destroys brain tissue so aggressively. And because the early symptoms resemble meningitis, diagnosis sometimes comes too late. Fortunately, infections remain very rare. But the existence of an organism capable of entering through the nose, traveling into the brain, and feeding on human tissue sounds more like science fiction than reality. Yet it's real, and it exists in waters people swim in every single year. Subscribe to Inside the Host for more hidden biology stories.